Hello. The physiological engagement is going to expand and reinforce our convictions and to develop our personality in the right direction. First, let's understand how our physiology is working. Our mind, where is our will and our thoughts, is located at the suburbs of our brain, and which is connected to our spinal cord and thus our nervous system and our physiology, only 5% of physiological connections. This is not the case of our limbic system, which is located at the center of our brain and which is connected at 95% to our spinal cord and our physiology. Daniel Kahneman, Nobel Prize for Economy, has spoken about the System 1, which is limbic, emotional, linked to our subconscious, and a System 2, which is our mind and which is conscious. And he's saying that our System 1 is much more taking the lead over the System 2 that we are thinking about. This point explains the physiological disengagement. This is when our head, our will is going in one direction, but our body and our physiology is going in the other direction. And we are all experiencing this case when we have an employee who says, yes, I will do it, but is not doing the action. This is when our head and our body are going in two different directions. This is not the case when we have a complete and full engagement with our physiology, when our head, our heart and our body, our will, our desire and our certainty are going in the same direction. At this moment, our strengths and our convictions are growing. And this is the same for our personality, which is expanding. I invite you now to discover this short video sequence from the movie Human, where you will see a switch of convictions of a man. This is an extreme case which shows how our belief, our convictions can change the path of our destiny. Thank you.
I remember my stepfather, would beat me, and he would beat me with extension cords and hangers and, pieces of wood and all kinds of stuff. And, after every beating, he would tell me, it hurt me more than it hurt you. And, I only did it because I love you. It was kind of, it communicated the wrong message to me about what love was. So for many years, I thought that love was supposed to hurt. And I hurt everyone that I love. And I measured love by how much pain someone would take from me. And it wasn't until I came to prison in an environment that is devoid of love that I began to have some sort of understanding about what it actually was and was not. And I met someone, and she gave me my first real insight into what love was, because she saw past my conditions and the fact that I was in prison with a life sentence for murder. And not only for murder, but for doing the worst kind of murder that a man can do, murdering a woman and a child. And it was Agnes, the mother and grandmother of Patricia and Chris, the woman and child that I murdered, who gave me my best lesson about love, because by all rights, she should hate me. But she didn't. And over the course of time and through the journey that we took, that's been pretty amazing. She gave me love, and She taught me what it was.